Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to our bike ride around the picturesque Marie Curtis Park in Toronto, Ontario. Our journey begins at this charming park, which is located at the western end of Lakeshore Boulevard East, where the Etobicoke Creek meets Lake Ontario. This beautiful park is named after Marie Curtis, a former Reeve of Long Branch, who was a dedicated community leader and advocate for the area's development. Marie Curtis Park is a true gem of Toronto's waterfront, offering a perfect blend of natural beauty and recreational opportunities. Notice the park's lush green spaces, well-maintained trails, and inviting picnic areas. The natural beauty of the park is complemented by its rich history. Marie Curtis Park has been a beloved destination for generations, providing a peaceful escape from the city and a place for community gatherings. Whether you're here to enjoy a leisurely bike ride, a relaxing picnic, or simply to soak in the natural beauty, Marie Curtis Park is a true oasis in the heart of Toronto.
I just don't see a reason. On your left.
Thanks for watching!